Unraveling the Meaning of Bailout, a Comprehensive Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting phrase to delve into: bailout. This is a phrase that you might come across in various contexts, and it can be a bit tricky to understand at first. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what bailout means and how to use it in different situations. So, let's get started. The phrase bailout is a phrasal verb, which means it is a verb followed by a preposition or an adverb that changes the meaning of the main verb. In this case, bail is the main verb, and out is the preposition. Together, they create a phrase that can mean different things depending on the context. 1.1 Literal meaning. Originally, to bail out meant to remove water from a boat using a container. Imagine you are in a boat that's filling up with water. You would need to bail out the water quickly to prevent the boat from sinking. 1.2 Figurative meaning in finance. In a financial context, to bail out means to give financial assistance to a failing business or economy. For example, during a financial crisis, a government might bail out banks to prevent them from collapsing. 1.3 Figurative meaning in everyday language. In everyday language, bailout can also mean to help someone out of a difficult situation. For example, if a friend is in trouble and you help them, you are bailing them out. To help you understand better, let's go through some examples. 2.1 In a boat. After the storm, we had to bail out the boat quickly to keep it from sinking. 2.2 Financial assistance. The government decided to bail out the failing airlines with a huge financial package. 2.3 Helping a friend. I had to bail out my brother because he lost his job and couldn't pay his rent. When using the phrase bail out, it's important to pay attention to the context. Make sure that it is clear what or who is being bailed out and why. Avoid using bailout in a situation where it could be confused with bailout, which has a different meaning. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase bailout. We've covered its literal and figurative meanings, provided examples of how to use it, and discussed common mistakes to avoid. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase better and feel more confident using it in different contexts. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.